Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro dollar, for now, I'm definitely still calling this possibly an uptrend. I still think there's a pretty good chance that this will end up continuing to trend up, making most likely an expanding A, B, and C correction, which I still think will go up eventually and take out these previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still calling this right here 5 waves up. I think it's possibly a 1. I still think this is like a WXY of 2. I still think this weekly time frame, even though we are going down now, I think it will make a higher low, continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up for this big wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. Now that we do have a nice clear break and hold below structure, now we have to pay attention to try to figure out whether we are looking at a correction to this last move up or if it possibly is a complete trend reversal. I'm definitely leaning towards trend reversal, so I am looking at these Fibonacci levels very, very closely for evidence of an end of a correction on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we definitely got one nice big impulsive move down right here. I would definitely label that either an A or a 1. I would label this right here as a correction, either a wave 2 or a wave B. Now, if this really is a wave C and we do get a fib bounce and a nice big engulfing move to the upside, with a nice break of structure, then I definitely would call it a wave C, and I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it's a wave 3, then it will not break structure to the upside, make that big engulfing move, but instead it will just keep on making lower lows and lower highs, which tells us that we would just keep on going short every chance we get. Because the daily time frame did turn down, I would definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I just said, I'm definitely looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. This could definitely be either an A or a 1. This could be either a wave B or a wave 2, and we could be in a wave 3 or a wave C. If we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice big engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of hold above structure, that would pretty much prove to me that it is a wave C, and I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again for the continuation of the uptrend. If you do not see this picture right here, then do not start looking for longs, but instead look for shorts every chance you get. It kind of seems more likely at this point it probably will make its way down to a lower Fibonacci level. And, you know, the 38% is a pretty shallow correction. If it does turn there, then great. If not, then most likely it's going to go down to the 50 or the 61.8% Fibonacci level that I was showing on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.